Hi there and welcome to my first ever vlog. My name is Steven and I created this channel para i-share yung experiences, realizations, and reflection ko during my walks. Walking has been a great help for me in navigating my emotions. It has also helped me be more calm, be more attentive, and be more mindful with everything that I do. This is the reason why I created this channel, to document myself and share experiences with those who are also seeking calm and peace in their life. So I hope you find this helpful. So right now, as you can see, I'm walking, and this is actually the path that I normally walk to get to the Baywalk here in San Fabian, Pangasinan. This is Nibaliw Magliba, one of the barangays here in Pangasinan, or in San Fabian, I mean. So yes, as you can see here, it's very clean, very peaceful din. Um, Maganda maglakad dito, especially during the afternoon kasi wala gaanong tao. Okay, so ito naman yung malapit na papunta sa Baywalk. As you can see, madami pa ding mga sira-sira dyan. They're still trying to rebuild a lot of things na nasira during Typhoon um, Uwan. So this tree that you can see here is one of the trees that fell down. So um, bagabag actually yung mga nangyari during Typhoon Uwan. Ang daming nasira dito sa San Fabian. And yes, kita nyo yan. Dati ang daming ano dyan, ang daming mga cottages and sheds. And this one, itong baywalk na to, tinan puro bato. Puro sira-sira na. Dati dalawang lanes to. So, ayan. Ang dami pa ding sira, ang daming nagtumbahan, yung mga lights na tumba dyan. So, ayun. It is what it is. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Natural disaster yan. So, ayun. Dito naman, kung makikita ninyo ang lakas ng hampas ng alon, yung mga ulap, gray din. Actually, papaulan na nito. Pero, hindi pa rin tayo papatinag. Go pa rin tayo. Maglalakad pa rin tayo para ma-clear yung head natin. And ayan ako, naglalakad. And yung mga alon, maligalig masyado yung alon. Pero still peaceful yung tunog ng alon talaga. Alam mo yun, okay siya sa utak. Hindi ko alam, it's therapeutic. I find it therapeutic. Ayan, at madami ng mga tao pag nakakasalubong ka. Lalo dito sa part na to, medyo madami-dami pa sila. But sooner or later makikita ninyo pag umulan, para mawawash out din yung mga tao kasi syempre kailangan nilang sumilong. Pero ayun, nakakalungkot lang na ang daming nasalanta ng bagyo dito sa part na to. But anyhow, happy din, nakaka-happy din kasi at the same time nakikita ko yung progress kasi nga araw-araw ko naglalakad halos dito. So nakikita ko yung rebuilding, nakikita ko yung kung paano maging resilient ang mga Pilipino sa mga bagay-bagay. Yan o, natumba yung poste. So, ayun. Enjoy lang. Gusto ko lang din sabihin na, yes, Filipinos are resilient. Pero, let's not normalize resiliency para, hindi maging accountable yung government. Kasi in this type of situation, dapat government talaga mismo ang nagpo-protect sa mga tao. And it's high time that, we make the government officials accountable for everything, lalo na yung pinapamahalaan nilang mga lugar. So, ayun, sana we can see changes not just with how resilient we are as Filipinos, but also with the government and the leaders na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas kasi nakakainis na, nakakagalit na sa totoo lang. Ito, araw-araw ko nakikita to, it's a wake-up call. And, nakakainis, nakakagalit na ang daming Pilipino, ang daming normal na mamamayan na nag-a-adjust. Kasi nga, yung mga leader natin, kurakot. So ayun, sana maayos. Sana matuto na rin tayo lahat na pumili ng tamang leader. Para hindi na tayo ganito, hindi tayo nagsasuffer, hindi tayo yung nag-a-adjust. Hindi tayo yung umiiyak sa bahay, hindi tayo yung humihingi ng saklolo. So ayun lang, isa sa mga realizations ko yan habang naglalakad ako. Started raining. No, it's raining, but we're still going. Still walking. So, yes. The rain, clouds. It's not gonna stop us from doing this. So, ito na ba? Umuulan na dito sa part na to. And medyo basang-basa na ako. But I still try to continue. And parang dinideny ko pa talaga na umuulan. Hindi naman siya ulan. Ambon lang talaga. Pero basa pa rin tayo. And we're still walking. Walking. Ayan. The advantage of the rain is that wala na ganong tao dito sa beach. So, I can talk. Yeah. So, at the moment, we are currently at 38 minutes, 2.69 kilometers. So, yep. So, ito siya. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita ninyo. Kaya, 39 minutes at 2.71 kilometers. So, yeah, 2.72 na. But yeah, it's still raining. So, as you can see, ako na lang yung tao naglalakad because it started raining. Hindi naman ganun kalakas yung ulan. Actually, tumigil na nga. Pero, ayan, still here, walking yung dagat. The clouds are hazy, gray, just like my shirt. So I guess bumagay lang talaga yung shirt natin for today's mood, nature mood, gray. So yeah, first ever video na sasalita ako. Yeah. Lalo sa mga taong kilala ko, alam nila madaldal ako. Pero during my walks, I don't normally talk. Because ang awkward naman kasi mag-isa ko lang. But now, I'm trying to overcome that fear. And talk in front of the camera kahit na ngayon, mag-isa lang tayo. Because I wanted to share this experience with you guys. Those who are watching. So yeah. I'll show you my path next. So I'm gonna flip the camera. So ito yung path. Malapit na tayo sa dulo, guys. So still walking. Walk lang ng walk. The rain stopped, I guess, in this area. And if you try and look, the gray clouds are clustered over there. So I guess wala ka na dito. Ayan o, wala o. So ayun. It's still a nice day. It's a bit gray but nice day overall. Yeah, so
3 kilometers, 43 minutes. Yeah. We're almost at the end of the walking path. This is where the sea meets the river. So yan yung dagat and that's the river. It's quite nice here because it's quiet. Not a lot of people come here. Especially during Fridays. I guess during weekdays, wala gaano talagang tao dito. Especially now that the weather is, I guess, gloomy. But yeah, quiet, peaceful. This is what I enjoy most about walking, is that you find peace, you find serenity. And it's so mundane, hindi siya nakakapagod unlike other type of exercises where running, you could be panting when you reach this point, but with walking it takes a bit of a while, but when you reach it, you're not tired, you're at peace, your mind is silenced. I guess it's really good for your mental health. So if you really wanted to kind of clear your head, as they say, if you want to clear your head, go for a walk. If you do this daily, yeah. So we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see me. So here we are. We're here at the end. It's gonna turn around. This is the end. This is the sea and that is the river. So ayun. Walking, daily walking clears your head, as I was saying. So if you wanna, you know, do an exercise that's not intimidating, I just wanna relax. This is relaxing, or exerting effort, but you're not really getting tired. It's not intimidating to walk. You do this daily. It's a natural routine that you do. So yeah. Okay, so this is the snippet. That's the sea coming in close. Ayan, hindi mo na gaano makita yung over there. You just zoom in 2 times and then 5 times. So gloomy. It's so gray. Yes, and it started raining. Wala na ulit dito. So I just wanted to visit the river as well. So the river. Okay, so this is the river now. That is the sea. That's where they meet. So I discovered this, I think, just a few days ago. You can check it in my shorts. But sa shorts kasi hindi talaga ako nagto-talk. So here, I'm trying to overcome that. And here's the river. Yan yung tao dito. It's raining. You can see it. Yeah, it's raining. It's thundering. So yes, the river. Ano. So yan, nakaka-relax talaga maglakad. The river. River view. Sea view. River view. Sea view. So yes, there's the perks of walking alone. I guess you're alone with your thoughts. You process everything while you're walking. So yun. Walang, alam mo yun, there are no other voices but yourself. Except na lang pag marami kang voices in your head. But yeah, pretty much you process everything, especially for, you know, for my age bracket. 30 to 40. We tend to be in the sort of like experiencing midlife crisis, and it started to rain. So yeah, you really need to have this type of activity. Malakas yung ulan. Yeah, so this is my first ever vlog, vlogging the walk, and I think this is a good sign. This is a blessing from above. Rain clouds. Love it. So let's flip the camera again. I don't know, it's so gray. Gray na gray siya. Yep. So I'm gonna stop recording for now because it's really raining. It's pouring now. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the video here for now. Probably record if the rain stops, but let's hope it does. Yeah, it's really raining. Ano siya? Okay, bye. And so mukha tayong basang sisiyo for today, but yeah, eto na yun siya. Uulan, pero naglalakad pa din. Ayan, so tumigil na yung ulan. Well, I think umuulan pa rin, pero parang tumigil na. Hindi na ako nababasa ng ulan. We're still walking, pa-uwi na tayo. Ayan, may tricycle. Actually, hindi ko alam kung sinasabi ko dito sa vlog na to. Pero I hope you guys enjoy this. This is my first ever talking vlog, so I guess we'll improve from here. But for now, this is the best that I can do. So yeah. And basa na po tayo. That's okay. We're 4 kilometers from the walk. It's such a mundane day, such a gloomy weather, and such a slow walk. Slow walking, slow life. So yeah, saya maglakad. So peaceful. So yes, rain stopped. Wala na pong ulan. Wala na rin pong mga tao. Natakot sila sa ulan. So yeah, it adds to the peace. But yes, it's still the same path at the beach, because the sound of the waves are so calming, so peaceful. So yun, makaka-enjoy talaga maglakad. Saya pala nito mag-vlog, magsalita-salita ka sa video. Kasi para kang may kausap. Kasi I guess yung mga audience ko kausap ko. Yeah. Madilim na.
So this part, I'm already heading back home, and I'm super drenched from the rain. So ew, chair lock.
5 kilometers. almost home. It's 73 minutes.
So on this part, we're already 76 minutes in our walk, and as you can see, the roads are pretty wet, and I'm assuming this is not from rain, but rather from the sea, from the waves. So umaabot po talaga dyan yung tubig. So after nung Super Typhoon Uwan, talagang umaabot na sa Baywalk yung dagat, which is nakakatakot. And padilim na, like, gray clouds, wala tayong makitang sunset for today. So wala munang sunset videos. Pero ayun, yun yung mga natumbang poste sa Baywalk. And ayan, yung dagat, maligalig na siya. So ayun, continue pa rin tayo mag-walk pauwi. So this part, I'm already inside the compound of Nibaliw Magliba. Wala na tayo sa Baywalk. So medyo okay dito yung mga daan. It's peaceful din, very safe. So ito yung preference ko talaga pag naglalakad, pag pauwi na, since gabi na, dito ako dumadaan. And tour ko lang kayo dyan. Ito naman yung paglabas mo na ng Magliba compound. Ito yung isa sa mga sementeryo dito sa San Fabian. And nakakatawa during this part kasi I think may mga bata na pumunta sa puntod ng kaibigan nila tapos nag-happy birthday sila dyan. I don't know, I find it amusing. Pero some of you might find it creepy during, the walk, lalo na madilim na. Pero I find it amusing kasi pinunta nila yung puntod. They're singing happy birthday to their, their friend who's departed. So yun lang, nakakaano lang na nakaka-touch that they're able to still be with their friend even in the afterlife. Amusing, amazing, and yan, nakakatawa. And so this part, 6 kilometers na yung nalalakad natin in 87 minutes na on the Apple Watch. So malapit na matapos to. Itong part na to, pauwi na to papunta na sa amin to, sa barangay namin. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kung andito ka pa sa video na to, sa pagsama sa akin today sa paglalakad na to. And I know I talked about resiliency earlier, and we should not normalize it na puro na lang resiliency sa mga Pilipino, but rather we should hold our leaders accountable, and next election, we should choose wisely, kilatisin mabuti kung sino talaga yung may malasakit sa tao. Thank you.